Yeah, the beans. This part is weeds have actually started getting bent because this area was actually sprayed like some 2 days ago. So as you can see, these things had to grow like very big, which is actually dying out. Because this side it's also a bit clean. Only in few spots where there was this weed, but they're dying out. Yeah. In about 3 days time, this area will be super clean, because we also did integrate. We are picking out portions. Some portions they are not. They don't have grass, only broad leaves, and others are like broad leaves, yes, and grass. So you actually need to integrate the two where you spot this area, because the field we know where the grass, like this field, this is actually grass. So and the spraying, we actually just have to spray with killing the grass. Yeah, and this side there's a broad leaves. That far end is grass.